This is Jesus Manuel Mena Garza. I'm in my Rockwood Mini Lite 2205S. I've had this unit for about 1 year, 9 months, and I've done some work on it. Let me show you and turn around the camera some of the work that I've done on it. I've done some work, and also I've just found something new that's an issue that I have to fix. There's always something to fix on these Rockwood Mini Lites. Let me turn around the camera right now. So these 3 drawers and these 2 drawers have had a lot of issues. What I've done recently, and I put some stuff there, is put some magnets right here. And so I have a little magnet there. So you can see that. Let me see if I can get a little close-up shot of that. That's a magnet. And it goes right here. And it sort of secures it a little bit better. So these 3 drawers have magnets. And these 2 drawers, which are totally, utterly cattywampus, as my wife would say, G-jawed. And also, I had to replace some of these glides because this wood right here, the wood right here, is basically some sort of ground up pulverized wood with a plastic finish. So that's part A. So I've replaced 2 of these, at least the slides, and replaced one of those over there and added some additional items. Let's go outside and I'll show you something else. There's something pretty bad. A lot of traffic over here. This has gotten gummy. It's it has a feeling, and of course it's been dripping this gummy residue all the way down there. So I'm gonna have to clean this. It's gone down here. I'm gonna have to clean that. Apparently this little light system they have on these Rockwood Mini Lites is not of a high quality. Again, I'm gonna have to replace that. Just saying. Again, there's some tight shots of the Goop as it's coming down. More work for yours truly, Jesus Manuel Mena Garza. So I've had 2 issues. The drawers issues, I'm ameliorated it slightly. They are never going to be high quality drawers. They're just poor quality drawers built by the folks at Rockwood, Flagstaff. They're just low quality. So I tried to fix them with those magnets, and also gave them some new glides. Also, that front area, that light, that courtesy light, that front light for when you hitch up your RV is it's all gummy. It's dripping. It's horrible. So I'm gonna have to clean that up. I don't know how I'm gonna clean it up. I'm gonna have to find some way to clean it up. If you have any suggestions to clean it up, I would greatly appreciate any suggestions out there. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. I would greatly appreciate it. It's a hot day here in Fort Worth, Texas. Another hot day, even though it's early September. And don't forget to leave your kind and friendly comments and suggestions on cleaning up that mess on the front of my travel trailer. I would greatly appreciate it. Thank you very much. Muchas gracias. And ring the bell for future notificaciones or future notifications. This has been Jesus Manuel Mena Garza for RV and Travel Adventures. Hope you're doing fantastic wherever you're at. Gracias. Adios. Bye-bye.